Let's get some light in here. This garage has prime lighting conditions. Look at this. Flashing, it's like a horror movie. New car parts time. What's up today, guys? I'm about to install a new cold air intake for my Eclipse. The last one is super ghetto rigged. You'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. But it'll be a real quick, easy install, so let's go ahead and get it done. Look at this beauty. So freaking ghetto rigged. We had to cut a hole just so we could fit the airflow sensor in there. Oh my god. Alright, let's finally get this piece of crap out. I've been out here for only like a minute, and this Mississippi humidity and heat has got me sweating up a storm already. This is unbearable. But we have got it out pretty much, and there is no lighting, so you guys can't see shit. But pretty much, you know, just a couple of things. Super ghetto rigged air intake, but hey, got the stock box for the most part out, and now we have nice quality engine parts going in. So let me put this together. Halfway through installing this, I noticed that I started installing it wrong. So you're supposed to put the mounts in to the, I don't know, brace thing, and then you can mount the heat shield. The more if you're going to install this, you might as well go ahead and get rid of this piece of metal right here, because this is pretty much useless and it can give you a little bit of space when you're installing your filter. So there we go. Easy install. Here is the final product. Let me get my phone out, put some light on it. Here is the final product. Everything looks good, everything fits good. Hopefully it'll work out. If this doesn't look, because that's kind of on the edge there, if that doesn't work, then I got another hose. Oh my god, this Mississippi humidity. I'm sweating my ass off, and I've been out here for maybe 30 minutes doing easy work. This is unbelievable. I'm gonna die. I wanted to do this in time for me to go to work, but let's see, it is 1:58 and I gotta be at work in 2 minutes. So, fun. But as for all of this mess, crap, I'll clean that up later. But Another sticker added to the family here, and it's running very well so far. So if you stuck around for the video, watched the full thing, or just wanted to see how easy of an install it was, really easy. These are some quality parts, the engine parts that I got. The last person I got, I'm not gonna call out any names because of their undescriptive kit, but the last thing, we had to modify that and then ghetto rig it just to fit in my car. So long process. Finally got a real one in there. Looks good. I could have gotten the one for the manual and had it go down so it wouldn't be like a short ram, but I mean, I've seen it fit. It's on the forums that it fits, but I was just like, let's play it safe. Let's get the automatic type of cold air intake. So there we go. Process done. Easy install. If you stuck around, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more content in the future. Thank you for watching again if you did, and I will see you guys next time.